Oh, snaps. Look at that trunk going up, baby. Woo! Can't do it like we do it. You cannot do it like we do it. Will it go down though? That is the question. Let's find out. Oh my goodness. Hey, it's over. I'm gonna buy this right now. It's over. Hey. How you doing, folks? Angel Diaz here from Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to hit you with another how-to video. And today we will be discussing how to use your fob key. We have a lot of people that do not know how to use their fob key. All they know how to do is hit the lock button and unlock button, but don't worry, we are going to go over every feature on this fob key, okay? So now let's dive right in. So as you can see, today we have a 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. This one is a SER line, and this is what we're going to demonstrate. It's going to help us with the fob key. So I want to show you the fob key first and foremost. Beautiful key. You got a lot of silver on it. The back, you got to display the emblem Volkswagen. Okay, as you can see, let's start with the basics. You got your lock button right over here. You click it once, you got it'll lock the door. You see, as you can see, the mirrors actually fold in when you lock it. You lock it twice and you engage your alarm system. A lot of people don't know that. People just hit it one time and they lock the door. Engage your alarm system, okay? Now, let me show you the next button. You got your unlock button. Hit it once and you will unlock only the driver's side door. Alrighty? As you can see. Now, if you hit the button twice, now you unlocked every single door on the vehicle. And that's just a safety feature. One time, locks driver's side, twice, unlocks every single door, including your gas tank, okay? Let's move right along toward the back, because I want to show you a great feature, which a lot of people are not using. And that is, let's go over this button right over here. That is for your power liftgate. Now let me show you how to use that button. I personally like to make sure the vehicle is locked, because if the vehicle is unlocked, sometimes it won't open. So once the vehicle is locked, all you have to do is hold down the trunk button, and there you go, baby. It's like magic, as you can see. All right, change your mind. You don't have to go in your trunk. All you gotta do is hold it again. You can see the indicators on the lights, they go off, letting you know that it did catch the signal, and it will close the trunk right up again, nice airtight for you. And the last button that I want to show you, everyone's favorite, it says right there, it has a ×2 sign on it, with kind of like a sphere going around it, and that is for your remote start. Yes, it is. Now let's go. All you have to do is hit it twice. 1, 2. You got the indicators, and there you go. The vehicle is running. Best thing I like to tell people is adjust your temperatures to what you like it, so that when you get into your vehicle, it is at your comfort zone already. Alrighty. Now, let's say you want to shut it off. The vehicle will shut off after a certain amount of time. But let's say you just want to shut it off. You change your mind. All you have to do is hold it, and the car will shut off. I have to show you one more button. It's actually on the side of the key. Even I almost overlooked it. That is your panic button. Let's say you are in a parking garage and you do not know where your vehicle is. All you have to do is hold down that button. And here I am. The car will tell you exactly where it's at. And there you go, folks. Thank you so much for joining me in this how-to video. Today we went over the fob key, which is an important thing to go over. And like I said, if you are interested in this vehicle, it is available. 2023 Volkswagen Atlas SER line. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, give me a call. My number is 401-428-4576. Thank you. Have a great day.